Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to send high resolution images, that is HD images, on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the contact you want to send HD images to. Now tap on the camera icon. Take a photo. At the top, choose HD, which is high resolution quality. Now click on send. This sends a high quality photo to your contact. You can do the same for video or when you are sending images from gallery. Just look for HD icon on the top and select it. If you have slow internet connection, it may be hard to send HD images and videos, so then try sending low or standard quality images. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can call us to know more about such tips. We also help seniors with any tasks like home delivery of grocery, medicines or movie tickets, planning a vacation, online payments, anything that seniors need. Just tell us and we'll get it done just like your children. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 or download our app. The link is in the description of this video. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you and see you again soon.